So I got a bunch of videos coming on this Boxer 525 DX mini skid steer. I bought it with a grapple and a bucket. Grapple was in rough shape. Bucket's in pretty rough shape. So I bought a cutting edge and some teeth. I'm going to weld on there, and then I'm going to do bushings and pins on it because it's pretty sloppy. So this video is going to be on putting on a cutting edge and welding on some teeth. I think I got it laid out how I want. I'm gonna have to flip it over to know for sure. I am gonna use the remainder of the new cutting edge and weld on strips on the edge so that it doesn't so that it'll sit level. It makes a lot more sense for it to sit level with doing grading and all that kind of stuff. It'll also form that half-inch pocket of dirt. If you're back dragging, it'll kind of cup some dirt like a box blade would for that final grade. It'll give it a little bit of help, and then it'll level out the bucket as well. So I'm going to mark it over there, cut it, and flip this over, see if it lines up, tack it all in place, and then weld it. So here we go. All right, sorry about all the background noise. I'm gonna end up having to play music over this and do a time lapse, but got all the welds done. I'm not a welder. I'm running a 110 cheap Harbor Freight welder on a generator because I only have 15 amps in my garage, and that's not enough. So I'm doing the best I can with what I got. So not very porous, a little bit inconsistent, but I only can do what I can do. So got those teeth welded on as well. Don't want those popping off and getting lost, so they're just pinned on. There was a lot of people that thought that the welds on my excavator were going to fail as well, and they are perfect. I've dug a couple sewers, a foundation, torn out a bunch of trees, lots of hours on it with no issues.